everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Chihuahua. Today we are going to be attempting to make an Arby's Grand Turkey Club. What makes it grand, I don't know, but I'm absolutely in love with it. They offered me a coupon like a couple weeks ago, so I figured, why not go get one? And I fell in love. I ate them every day for like an entire week straight, and it was kind of embarrassing because when you pull into the drive-thru, they like kind of recognize you, because your dog's always with you. So I thought we should try to recreate the Arby's Grand Turkey Club. And I wanted to get all of the correct ingredients and see if one that we make at home is as good or better than the one that we get at Arby's. So I also have a friend running to Arby's right now to get us one of the original Grand Turkey Clubs. And I'm going to sit here and make one with you guys and see which one is really better. Because I have to say, when I went for like a week straight, in my head I was like, I can't believe I'm eating out this much. But they were just so good. They had me freaking hooked. They did. So hopefully our homemade sandwich is as good. So the first thing we need to prepare, I think, is going to be our turkey and our Swiss, because we want it to be heated, and we also want our bun to be heated, but we don't really want it to be toasted. We just want it to be a little bit warm. So I'm going to go ahead and take a small piece of foil, and I'm going to stack a lot of turkey. One of the reasons that I absolutely love getting the Grand Turkey Club is because they usually put so much turkey on it that it's a full meal for myself, and then he still gets like a good amount of turkey bites from me, and I still feel like I have a sandwich. So I stacked a little bit over a 1/4 pound of sliced turkey. So I'm topping it off with 1 piece of Swiss cheese, and the Swiss cheese is super important to the flavor of the Grand Turkey Club. And all of our meats and cheeses are boar's head. They are my favorite. Yeah, I just figured if we were trying to recreate a sandwich but better, why not use boar's head? So this is how high we have stacked our turkey. Seems appropriate for one sandwich. So I'm gonna throw this in the oven at 350 for probably like 3 minutes just so it can heat through. And then just as this is starting to like finish melting all the cheese, I'm gonna throw in one of our little buns. These were actually super hard to find, good sized buns. I went to Publix and they were all teeny and dried out. And so I went to Walmart and they were even worse. And so I finally went to Ingles and they had these, and I was so glad at the size of these because the Grand Turkey Club has a pretty good sized bun, and it really is a good sandwich. It's a full 1/4 pound of turkey. Alright, so I'm back with all of my warm ingredients, and our turkey and our Swiss cheese looks wonderful. It's extra melty, and our bun is nice and warm, but not toasted, because the bun of the Grand Turkey Club is always super soft and squishy on top. So to begin building our Grand Turkey Club, the first ingredient is going to be some lettuce. And we're going to want to make sure that the entire bottom of our Grand Turkey Club is covered with lettuce, because normally they put mayonnaise there, but I always get my sandwich with no mayonnaise. So if there's not enough lettuce, it can make the bun soggy. So to make our Grand Turkey Club perfect, we need a lot of lettuce. And we're going to move our hot turkey and cheese to the top of our sandwich. And then finally, we are going to add some bacon to the top of our Grand Turkey Club. And then finally, we add the hat. A Grand Turkey Club. Now I'm excited to see how the real Grand Turkey Club compares to our Grand Turkey Club. And here is the Grand Turkey Club. Bum bum bum. Wow. Whoever made this Grand Turkey Club didn't put those items in the right order for a regular Grand Turkey Club. That's a little disappointing for our comparison video. That's okay. Let's pull him out of the box and see what he looks like. Okay, so this is the Grand Turkey Club outside the box. Not in the order it normally is. Normally the vegetables are on the bottom. But let's inspect. So in general, I would say that our turkey sandwich came out a lot larger than their turkey sandwich. Normally their turkey sandwich looks better. This is not a good comparison, but it does go to show that it's definitely worth it to cook your own food at home, because you can assure that your sandwiches always come out looking extremely, extremely grand. And sometimes the Arby's Grand Turkey falls short. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. We'll see you guys next time.